Let us see a C++ program, a simple C++ program to deal with the teacher information, guys. So first tell me which header file I need to include. Respond hash include iostream. Why iostream? Because I'm going to work with the C in and C out. Yes, input output stream. To work with iStream and OStream class, I need C in and C out. So for the purpose, I need to include iostream header file. Next, using namespace standard. So let me create a class. What is the class name, guys? Teacher. Okay. Then class body end with the semicolon. Let me create some teacher properties. Public int id. What is the teacher id? What is the id is it? Okay, fine. So you can call here, this is the data member, or you can call it is also called as instance variable, data member or instance variable. Let me call here string name. Okay, string name. This is also data member, and this is also instance variable. Okay guys, so after this now this is public, right? I can create the method. I want to insert the data. So let me use here integer id or integer I, and let me use here string en, right? Okay, fine. I want to define here itself. I'm defining the body. So here define the body. Define function body, guys. Define method body or function method body. Fine. Now, so here how can I initialize? Here you can see here, guys. Insert is a method which contains int I, which takes two parameters. What is int I and string en, right? Now I want to initialize this coming value to this method to this class level variables, instance variable, id and name. So how can I initialize, guys? Id initialize with the I. So whatever the value comes to this I value I am giving to id. Now next, in similar fashion, I want to initialize this en to the name, right? So here I initialize, guys. Next, I want to display the values. So void display. Okay, void display. I want to show all the values. How can I display, guys? Cout extract insertion operator. Now here, so here is id. I want to show the id. Teacher id is colon, and here what should I do? Insertion operator. I want to show id here, right? If you're not interested to use, you can use here, I want to end the line, end L. You can use constant end L, end the line. So I'm using one new stuff here, end L. Okay, end the line. Next, I want to show the name also. So cout teacher name is, so here is name, and either you end or don't end, semicolon, that's it. So let me use here /n. Okay guys, fine. This is my function. I am in display function. Okay, fine. So guys, here you can see now guys, let me use here int main. In main I can use void also, guys. Okay, there is this main function does not accept any value, so that's what void. Okay, fine. Now let me create the references here. Now void is a function, right? Void is a function which takes two parameter, guys. So first of all, let me create a teacher. So here is my teacher. Now let me create the reference or object reference name of type teacher t. I created t, right? Now t dot, what is the function name, guys? Control S. First of all, let me save here class example 2. Okay, now here teacher, I want to insert. So here t dot insert. insert guys. So t dot insert. So insert takes two parameter. What are the parameter, guys? Tell me. One is id. Suppose I use 70 is the id. First, look at here. Insert takes two parameter. Insert takes two parameter. So I want to call this function. I want to call this function here. So how do I call? I need to get the reference name of teacher, that is t. Here I got. Now first parameter I'm passing here 70, and next teacher name I'm passing here Yogesh, and statement ends. Okay. Now I want to display. So I'm having display function. Display. So here t dot display. T dot, you can see a display, semicolon. Okay guys, fine. So let me use here cout. We are having very less amount of time, so let me save first of all. Let me compile. Control F10 guys. It is not showing output, so let me use here get ch, get char. Control S, Control F9, Control F10. So you can see here teacher ID is 70 and teacher name is Yogesh. Can you see here guys in this fashion also? Guys, understood? Deepali, are you there? Avadut? Next, Ganesh, Shivraj, Poonam, Sainath, Sutar, Sheikh. Who is Shaktiman? Who is Shaktiman here? Is Shaktiman is our student? Please respond. Is Shaktiman our student? It's not a good way, guys. I don't want to enter any intruder into my class. So, okay, I hope you are clear about this logic. Now, guys, for your information sake, let me keep here means flow up to understand the flow up execution. So, cout. So, I think meeting has ended. Meeting is ended, guys.